Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video be a day in my life. Today's Saturday. I am actually just finishing getting ready. I need to like put like deodorant and like perfume and like chapstick on. If you guys don't know, I look tan right now. The other day I put on like self tanner because I was like, why not? Look how tan I am. Do you see that? Okay, maybe that is like super pale for you, but I haven't been this tan since like July. I was actually tanner than this, which is a crazy thought. Outfit of the day. This is from Zaful. I got a lot of questions about where it's from on my Instagram post that I did a while back. And then these leggings, I really like them because, okay, you can't even see it, but there's this thing right here that like makes your butt look bigger from like that perspective. Yeah, but they're from Marshalls and they were like $11. So sorry about that. Don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm actually going to go home, as in like my house home, obviously, duh. I mentioned this before. My mom's engaged. Her wedding dress is ordered. Turns out, didn't realize this, I thought wedding dresses were just like custom made to your body. So yes, the dress really made me think that, but apparently they like order your size and then they alter it. So it's not like a custom wedding dress just yet. She got the one where it's like just like her size and then I need to like do the alteration. So I'm gonna go with her to do that. And then I also am going to pick out some bridesmaid dresses because we need that. My sister and I are going to be both bridesmaids. My sister rescued a dog that was pregnant and gave birth to a bunch of German Shepherd puppies, and so I have not seen them since like they were really little, like their eyes weren't even open, and now they're like older and they're about to get like sold. Like most of them are sold, so they just have to like wait till like they're 6 or 8 weeks old to like give them to those people. But I have not seen them, so I want to see them. I have dinner, 2 of my sorority sisters and then their moms and then my mom, so it's gonna be like a little mommy daughter date, so that's gonna be fun. I need to put on deodorant because I'm sweating. I'm also need to make my bed. Okay. Sorry, I was just really into that song. So right now I just finished making my bed and packing my bag. I also have this box that I'm bringing back home. It's just like a bunch of shirts that I don't wear, so I was like, why not bring it home? Last night I like full on had like not a panic attack, but like an emotional mental breakdown. Love that for me. So I cleaned every little aspect of my room. I vacuumed like 10 times and there's still a piece of hair on the ground. Feels so clean, you know? I did 4 loads of laundry. Why not? What's up? My name's Keegan. I almost just locked my car keys in my trunk. Love that for me. Okay, about to go home. Gonna listen to some music. Hi! Where's the other one? Hi! No one's home. Cool. Jesus, why do they groom you like that? You look so ugly. But I love you. What's going on? Oh, that's what's going on. Oh, I missed a, oh my gosh, she jumped up. Oh my gosh. She's been pretending like she can't jump on beds for the past like year. She can, she just doesn't want to. Wow, I missed a bed that's not a twin. I missed it. Oh, stretch. Mom, stop grooming her to look like a rat. It's just so unflattering. It's just not cute. It's not good. You're still cute, just not as cute. Did my mom really cover a picture of my sister and I with the picture of her? Really, Mom? You leave for less than a month and this is what happens? You're replaced? Okay. The pantry. Is there food? There's no good food in here. Are you kidding me? I'm hungry and I want food because all I've had is gross dining hall. Ooh, leftovers. Not leftovers that I want. I just ate all of those leftovers and then a bunch of Chips Ahoy cookies and now I'm full. I'm gonna look so great trying on bridesmaid dresses. Okay, so I was going through my Instagram DMs because I like, you know, responding to you guys and talking to you guys. Follow me on Instagram, just like do it. I'm getting really into Instagram again, so just like follow me. But oh my god, this guy sent me a DM and asked to be my sugar daddy. I get those all the time. I always send it to my friends like as a joke, like should I do it? I'm not gonna do it. $5,000 a month is a lot, but not worth almost dying. But I always send it to my friends and they're like, I don't think you should do it. And I'm like, I'm kidding. No one understands my humor. Lily, do you understand my humor? Do you understand me? Do you get me? Hello? Alexa, am I pretty?
Nothing looks better than confidence.
I used to have Alexa in my dorm room, but like the Wi-Fi does not hook to Alexa's. Oh, sorry, I'm not talking to you. She just lit up. I had her and I had to put it on guest Wi-Fi, and apparently guest Wi-Fi only works for 24 hours. So every 24 hours I would have to like reset it, and it was just really annoying because I just brought her home. And I miss her so much. I'm just gonna like have a conversation with her, okay? Alexa, what's your favorite movie?
The Empire Strikes Back is my all-time favorite.
I thought she was gonna say The Emperor's New Groove.
You like my hair? Keep things just out of matching diamonds for 6 a month.
What, Mom? We're going? Okay. Okay. We're gonna go see the puppies.
Are you kidding me? They're so cute. Are those Cheerios?
Mr. Canon.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, Keegan. And then
It's
Mr. Kendall's
kissing
still
me.
there too. Keegan.
Oh,
Puppies. And next thing you know, Austin's going to grab the trash. And one of the puppies, Kendall, was hiding in the bush. Kendall.
hello.
Hid in the middle of the tree. Or inside the bush.
Go. You wanna go over there?
Baby. Baby.
Hi.
Baby.
Hi. Hi. Oh, she's done.
What's all over you?
I love you.
Look at Oreo carrying the water bottle across the yard.
Where?
She's like, I got my toy. Here I go. Got my toy. Going
Oh, they stole her water bottle.
Hello, little baby. Is the ring off that one? Hello, little baby. There. Add it there.
Oh, Mom.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
We're going to go try on some dresses.
What are we gonna do?
Try on some dresses.
4.
A secret event. You really want some?
I'm not gonna like it, but I want.
It has like jalapeno sauce in it.
I like the jalapeno sauce.
I don't like Taco Bell. I always forget how much I hate it. Where are we?
We're at Suzanne's bridal.
Look at the pretty dresses. Look at them, Kendall. Hi. Well,
Okay, I fixed it.
I think the one Keegan has on is really flattering.
Is there another one like that? Okay,
I'm sure.
Or you could try that one on.
Now that I think about it,
You like that? Kind of looks like kind of looks like pilgrimy. I don't know why. Pilgrimy. I don't know. I just think this is like a pilgrim.
I like that.
You do like yours?
Good. I like mine. I like yours.
I think
For it. I really like this.
I do too.
I like. What color? Would you get that color?
Well, I kind of want like a. I think I don't know. You like the wine colored?
Yeah. Can I try that one on?
Yeah, I think. And maybe you should try a few other ones on. You don't have to try that one on, but I do like that one.
Yay.
What do you think the one Keegan has on?
Not choking you? No, it's good. You don't like it? I don't like the top. Oh, I don't like it anymore.
You don't like it anymore?
Yes, please. Yeah,
I really.
I like this one.
Mhm.
I picked it out. This is the back of the dress we picked, or I picked. My mom just tried on her wedding dress. She's in that room. This is it. It's not very, like, you can't tell, but oh, I guess you can see it from here. It looks more like sheer, not on. Like when you have it on, it's not that sheer. And then it's going to be in, hello? No one's in here. It's gonna be in that color. Why are you on my phone? Why are you on my phone? We just got back from the bridal place and we picked out our bridesmaid dresses. My mom tried on her wedding dress and then she took it home. She still needs to get it altered. Her wedding's in October, so we have a while for that. They said that our bridesmaid dresses are coming in May. Right now, we actually have to leave decently soon because we are going to get dinner with two of my sorority sisters and then their moms. But I need to go back to Tempe tonight, so like I need to bring my car and my mom also needs like a way to get back home. So like the whole thing is gonna take like an hour to get to the restaurant, so we need to like leave decently soon. It's so weird being home. Mom, hello? Guess it wasn't her. I'm now back home. I just went to dinner with my sorority sisters and their mom. Sometimes I just don't like vlogging because like sometimes I just want to like live in the moment, and then also sometimes like parents get like weird. I don't know. I just don't want to put anyone like in an uncomfortable position being like, do you want to be my vlog? I just thought that would be weird. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.